We trek through woods so green and deep, two boys with dreams and secrets to keep. The path is rough, the air is cool. Kombai's call a silent rule. The cliffs so high they touch the sky. We watch as birds in circles fly. The mist around us soft as silk, a bond as strong as mother's milk. Kombai falls and we stand tall. Together here we heed the call. The waters crash, a roaring cheer. In this place there's nothing to fear. Lush cliffs dressed in emerald hues, nature's gift, a priceless muse. We carve our names on bark and stone. Unified, we're never alone. The spray, it dances on our skin, a cool embrace where dreams begin. In Kombai's grace we find our way, two boys grown strong by nature's play. Kombai falls and we stand tall. Together here we heed the call. The waters crash, a roaring cheer. In this place there's nothing to fear.